Two. We back, baby. We back.
Huh?
We in this wind. Tay. Say what's up, you two.
Say what's up, you two.
Two. We back.
Huh?
We back. Tay, say what's up. Say what's up, Tay. You on TV? Already. Anyway.
And we had a windy spot.
What's up, dude? We back. We got a fishing buddy. You know what I'm saying? We got the other fishing buddy. Tay. Say what's up. Already. This is all good. It's super windy out here. It's super windy, but we camped up underneath this tree right here. We camped up and we're going to see what we had to do. You know, we're being sidetracked for the last couple of weeks. We'll get y'all new videos. We're sorry about that, but we're back rolling. And we're going to do this thing. Right, Tay? Yeah. All right, too. Stay tuned, okay? If we catch a fish, y'all going to be the first ones to know. Already. This wind is cutting up. We found this tree. This tree is hot. It's hot. Yeah, the temperature right now at the moment it's like 95, 90 to 100 degrees out. We found this little cool spot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Two. Tay. Say what's up, two?
What's up?
You know that food right there. Already we chilling on it.
I'm recording. Got it? Bring them up. Ooh! Guys! That's not yellow, but that's a drum, guys! That's a big old drum that my dad has. That's a big old drum, guys! That's a big drum! Guys, that's a big old drum! Can we keep it?
Two. Made it back home. We made it back home. You know, I was finally able to get out the house, you know, and go fishing and stuff. You know, it's been a rough, you know, month. You know, 2 to 3 weeks to a month. You know, I was able to get my fishing buddy right here out there with me. Tay. Say what's up, Too. Say what's up, Too.
What's up, Too?
Already, you know, we gonna get him out there fishing. You know what I'm saying? That, you know, the new addition to the fishing crew. You know, got the other one over there. You know, fishing buddy, Travion. Come holler at Too, man. Come holler at Too.
What's up, Too?
Already, you know, today was windy. Wow. You know, but yeah, you know, but it was good. We was able to pull one in. You know, we fished for about maybe I don't know what, 3 hours we fished. I think about 3 hours. You know.
Yeah, about 3 hours.
Yeah, about 3 hours or so. It was fun, you know, but it was relaxing. You know, just to get by the water, and especially with them waves and stuff. With them waves, go sit down back there. Sit down in the back. Tay, sit back there and look at YouTube. You know, was able, you know, just to relax and listen to the water, just hit the rocks. You know, it was peaceful. You know, I needed that peace, but
it was really windy.
you know, I lost a family member. You know, he was in my heart. You know, my aunt. You know, like my father. You know, my friend. You know, I just lost him. You know what I'm saying? He go right here. You know, that was my dog. You know, we rest in peace, Unc. I love you, man. You know, but we was able to get through this and gotta keep on going in life. You know, but yeah, let me show you what we was doing today.
This is the.
We was using, you know, the 4 ounce. I don't know if you see it. That's the 4 ounce. You know, when I was throwing it out there, we needed some heavy weight to keep it under the water, you know, and for moving in the water and stuff like that. So we used that today. You know, I'm gonna show you my little setup that I got. You know, I got my little sinker slide. You know, it slides with the little bead to protect my knot, my swivel, and my leader. You know what I'm saying? But we was using the 4 ounce lead weight today. What I usually use is when you usually see me fishing like this, this way, I usually use my 3 ounce. You know, and that usually give me good casting distance and stuff like that. That's the one that I usually use, and it's the same. It's just the eggshell. It's the eggshell 3 ounce. You know what I'm saying? But we had to pretty much throw it out there and keep that line still in the water. So we had to change it up today. It worked out. We was able to catch a fish, right? Right, fishing buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We was able to catch a fish. You know, I wish it was more fish that we caught for y'all, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We was out there. We was able to get to the water. And sometimes it's not about just catching fish. Sometimes just spending time with the fellas, you know what I'm saying? Fishing, you know, and just going outdoors, you know. I recommend that everybody get outdoors and get some fresh air, you know what I'm saying? And with all this stuff that's going on in the world, you know, you need that fresh air. You need that getaway, you know, from everybody. But yeah, you know, we appreciate all the love, all the support that we getting on this channel, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, my apologies for not being able to get y'all no content in the last few weeks, but we gonna get it back rolling, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get back rolling, and we gonna get y'all some footage, you know what I'm saying? It could be anything, like I say. It could be fishing, cooking, barber stuff, or it could just be anything, sports, you know what I'm saying? Whatever come at hand, you know what I'm saying? But stay tuned. Tell them to stay tuned, fishing buddies.
Stay tuned, guys, and watch all our videos.
Already.
And subscribe and hit that little bell.
Bam. bam, hit the bell, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, comment, you know what I'm saying, thumbs up. Already, you know what I'm saying? And we promise y'all we'll get y'all more content, you know what I'm saying? Much love, you know what I'm saying? Peace.